Little swamp rat. Now I don't move too fast, and my talk is kinda slow. I'm from the swamp and I like to stomp to Cotton Eye Joe. Now I work hard all week. When it comes Saturday night, I go downtown and cruise around in my four-wheel drive. That's right, with mud flaps. Sometime I like to slow dance and hold my woman tight, 'cause you can't get nothing done if you stand apart and slang your arms now. Now I see a lot of people and they think they're where it's at, but you know the times they are changing when soul brothers wear cowboy hats. That's right. Yeah, but there's still a lot of cowboys who don't